questions. For what purpose? For HPLC people have for them arrested in police station. Right now, let's go to ask for them.
Well, about today, what of police was arrested for youth and what is the problem? Can you tell for us?
What we have come to know is that our people, we are political party persons and then social workers. We are concerned with environment and protection of our land and our people in 6th schedule area in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong and in the Mahasau. We have been hearing that some companies have come in Langwoku area and they are trying to set up some mining operation there. They would destroy the earth, the soil of the cultivation areas of the people. They will not be able to stay, they will be evicted. All the tribal people will be evicted from there. So our people have only gone to see. We have not entered the area also, but they have been talking to the people only. The rest, the detail, will be spoken by Vikram Hanse and Mr. Dole, Pranab Dole, because they are the people who have faced the real thing. There should be no arrest. This is only harassment. The police is only harassing us.
As everyone in Assam knows that we are concerned citizens and we work for the rights of people to protect our nature, to protect the land of our people. A team of esteemed researchers and environmental workers from different parts of the country today visited Karbi Anglong to understand how the 6th schedule in Karbi Anglong is functioning, and also to see what is the state of the forest and the nature and the land here. In order to give them an exposure, we took them to one of the villages where a Sainik school is coming up. So we went there, we had a conversation, the villagers came to meet us, we had a conversation and we were just democratically talking in front of the church there, sitting there and democratically having a discussion, introducing each other. And suddenly the police from Manja police station and Delhi police station, they come there with a lot of armed guards and they come and disturb our peaceful discussion. And we never expected that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which we take a pride in as a symbolic and a great 6th schedule, will behave like that with our guest. So we demand that immediately the researchers and our friends who have come here to Karbi Anglong to spread the good message or the reality of people here, what is happening in Karbi Anglong. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the police department do not have the right to detain them. That is against their basic human right as a citizen of India. And also the ethos of Karbi people. The Karbi people are generous and kind people. They don't behave like this with their guests. So the demand is that immediately the researchers and environmental workers who have been detained by the police should be released. We are all here waiting outside the Manja police station, and if the police do not release them, there will be a huge public democratic resistance against this.
Sarpo Teronarong, Langbukulong, haladak Sainik School project nang lelo. Halabang so project upon non kam cheng bang bom tanglo art development and chenglo forest clearance kaduk we cheng bom tanglo. Sida me hadak ke do ra datu rong in koisus doning koisus se longly affected atu longly kanu hok du natu alang litum chini pame melang ko pc ta so school ke bang pen alang litum ki sung ji ma ke joy ke ji ma halabang so lam ke chini ne pin lang lasi lahai hoi alam nilitum kame than bom lo sita rat atum tame ka chini ne dum se ke ong lang la penang par ke la kapre ka state pen tame texer atum professor atum scholars atum tame karbiang long aphan nang kachini atum kachini kang tung atum do dak atum resources ko son si dak preserve jema illegal ko pine doma we ma lahai tame dak lahai hui tame news long klang o la pen in karbiang long non ke news long do pok lo India map long ta la sala hai hui alam kachini mala dom chini tung si la ke wang lo pini apen la bang so ke wang fut rong sor tum nang che tong dun rong sor tum nang phan arjulo kopilo nang litum kachini ke pumasila tum jata nang tham hek the kopisi sainik school long pen kopisi ale doji ma polam la tum chini ne la pen dak admission procedure ko son lo da chini ne la dak recruitment as procedure ko son lo puta la hai tum rong sor tum chini ne la sil hai hui alam ala kachini tum sainik school ka charlie tum tame do halai tum tame the thini ke thani panselang litum phan wang lo sita me pini dak tong sokot pen police force nang toy dak dilai la pen dak manja police force nang toy pen halabang so peaceful democratic pini ka chingwai ka chingsai ji ka che than ji alam mang ke pini ka than long le tet lan da galilang nilitum phan non mat pini pen nang tum han dak yong sike wang lo bonte nang han case pen nang arrest at ji musil tum han dak manja SI lo la pen ha dilai tum bahani da me tum phan nang kok keril la son nak taksi rong sor phan da me amen nang tok lo her hap lo je labang so a project la ke government a project la ke nang tum jat noi long le chepek do nang po la son si her hap la son si claim la sinoni tum tung bang la hen lo hong pen ke wang tum phat alang le tum professor tum research scholars tum phat non ma lang tum phan detain pen pajok serak ning pajok ngoi la jong si pajok jip lo tang te la ke dar biang long asor rat ke la ke thu paki ku bang ke la kan seklang sekali bode dak phanan nang wan ja kam ta we ke di hok pet ke police tu mangai tum hanang ke arrest lo kita me rat tum nang chini dun de rajok non ke nang ke arrest kali ku salang tum cepak lang lo la pe non hong pen ke wang tum phan bang ke alang tum arju bom la pipini investigate bom lang la tum phan tame la se alang tum ta alang tum phan detain ku salang tum pulo tum han tame nang lo serat ning ku sin tum alang tum ke la environment hin ka charlie ke thek tum la pen inut bang ke la ke IMM Indian Institute of Management lo la multi purpose project long pini ne apu thak hai lo ke thana bang alang ke asil hai ke chini phan ke rong wang wek nai kali ma di asil hai aphan si alang litum ke wang lo ke chini phan si ke wang la hen lo sainik school allocation on nilum dam bom hot police tum nang le dead ben police agari humpli potrok do o hot da hal bang so hot koila truck bang humni koila ka truck bang ihum bang e lu plot lo amase ihum bang ni litum khangon check lo police tum tame nang litum inside do ning lang do ning illegal ma mate chalan do ma lang dum thap police fan pulo police tum bang ari chirung de ni litum ke la claim ple papon nang la ken litum la ke forest tum si bang claiming mase truck da lang tum ke lono pasi pu mase ni litum pulo pasang tha la ke itum inside pa me nang lang kal de forest adak arrange do ala range long le la so truck pon de noi pusin tum pulo stamenon ala dak lang buku si do lang la so truck si forest atum tamen non dam chuai hedet pasin tum bertalo la pen la bang so truck a number ka du weta ni tum long do edlo la pen a truck ke full loaded koila la ke full truck lo adak loaded truck lo pasin la bang so truck kona pen si konat ma la ke inside pa meaning kusi ni tum media through pen damenal tan pachini pon lo la pen aron re illegal plonte la ke nep nangi kusi la pen ing toneng kusi ni tum pini benta pachini pon bom lo kale tum sar tame pon bom ditilo $6 long minerals la pen kapre kai tum hormudo o sitame ilitum aron bang na anta chisemar mede la si aron ka chisemar mede da jok dak bang kai ta illegal ason si la hai ke pon bom lo la si $6 aron ateng pen ilitum la hai mineral extraction fan pen chenglok ta du ko we rules jong si semar lo tang te definitely council long si revenue ke dopo la ke tum si long po sita non ke alang ilitum claim kle dead lo aron re chalan kawi pen si hurbom lo Roy Chong Hubom ason situm tek long.
So, where do you come from and what purpose are you coming here in Manjapur?
तो मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ और हमारे साथी लोग हैं प्रणव भाई विक्रम भाई हैं और पर्यावरण संरक्षण को लेकर हम लोग काम करते हैं मैं छत्तीसगढ़ में यहाँ पर आए थे हम बेसिकली थोड़ा सा समझने के लिए पर्यावरण की क्या स्थिति है जो 6वीं अनुसूची है 6 शेड्यूल का जो गवर्नेंस मॉडल है जो कि एक आइडियल गवर्नेंस मॉडल है उस मॉडल को समझने के लिए तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए थे। तो कुछ जो भी मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ और फिर हम लोग कल थाने से पुलिस आए तो फिर हम लोग यहाँ सॉरी
How many people are coming from there?
कितने लोग?
कि हम लोग 3 लोग हैं, हमारे दोगल साहब मित्र लोग हैं, दिल्ली से हैं और मैं छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ।
There's any cases here from China?
Is there any case
नो
आपके पास?
ना जस्ट ऐसी बातचीत के लिए इंक्वायरी की कहाँ से आए हैं, कैसे आए हैं।
That we don't know yet. Maybe if you inquire with them, they will be able to tell you clearly what was the reason that they had to, forcefully bring very peaceful 4 guests who had come to visit us. The police is answerable. They should tell us like what made them come and bring us forcefully here to the police thana. Yeah, that we request like the whole media fraternity and also the civil society from Assam that we are not known to treat our guests in such a manner. Even if it's the police department, they should go and abide by the Indian constitution and respect the basic rights of our people. And this was completely as in very undemocratic the way they forcefully brought all of us to the police station. I'm Pranab Dole. I'm from Kaziranga, and we are neighbors. And as our friend Bikram is here, we have been working for the protection of 6th schedule and also the people and the resources and our natural beauty of this region.
उसको समझने के लिए हम लोग गांव में समुदाय के साथ बातचीत कर रहे थे, लेकिन पता नहीं चला अचानक से कैसे पुलिस फोर्स आई और जिस तरीके से हमको यहाँ लाया गया, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ही दुर्भाग्य है, ये दुखद है कि एक लोकतांत्रिक देश में जहाँ कानून और संविधान लागू है, वहाँ पे इस तरीके से यदि कोई लोग आए हैं, लोगों के साथ बातचीत कर रहे हैं शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से समुदाय के साथ, उनको इस तरीके से फोर्सफुली लाना और थाने में बिठाना, मुझे लग रहा है ये बहुत चिंताजनक है। क्या असम के जो नागरिक हैं वो नागरिकों के संवैधानिक लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार हैं कि नहीं? मैं एक आया हूँ साथियों के साथ, हम बाहर से और हम शांतिपूर्ण बैठ के बातचीत कर रहे थे, लोगों से हम समझ रहे थे कि भाई छत्तीसगढ़ के हमारे 5वीं अनुसूची के क्या अनुभव रहे हैं, आपके 6th शेड्यूल के क्या अनुभव हैं। इन अनुभवों को देखते हुए समझने के लिए और निश्चित तौर पे जो साथी यहाँ संघर्ष कर रहे हैं यहाँ के पर्यावरण को बचाने के लिए, यहाँ के जल जंगल जमीन को बचाने के लिए, उनके साथ हमारी पूरे तरीके से सॉलिडारिटी है और उस सॉलिडारिटी के साथ भी मैं यहाँ पर हूँ। लेकिन आज जो घटना यहाँ पे हुई है ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यजनक है और मुझे लगता है कि ये एक तस्वीर प्रस्तुत कर रही है कि असम में नागरिकों के साथ किस तरीके का व्यवहार किया जाए।